Hi, Chris Tidy from Centurion Safety Products. I'd like to talk to you about wear and care for your safety helmet or your hard hat. This is looking after your life, so you need to look after it. So the first thing to think about is that when you're checking your safety helmet, and you could do this periodically, you don't have to do it every single day. You could just check the outside to make sure that there's no deep pits, scratches or dents or even worse, holes. If that's the case, you need to throw that helmet away and you need a new helmet. Also check your helmet to make sure that there's no unchecked stickers on it. Now, what I mean by unchecked stickers is that when you stick any sticker on it, the adhesive that's actually on the sticker could have a reaction with the material of the helmet. Now, you don't want that because that compromises your safety. So if you do have lots and lots of stickers all over your helmet, please again think about changing your helmet, getting a new helmet. So if you've looked at your helmet and you've made sure that there's no marks or deep scratches or anything like that in it, this one has reflective stickers on it, which of course are licensed, the adhesive is licensed. You want to then just check to make sure your helmet is actually in date. Now the majority of helmets actually signify this with a date stamp. Sometimes it's a clock, sometimes it can actually be the date itself. Now we work on a 5+5, so it's 5 years of storage, 5 years of use, whichever comes first. So just check your date to make sure that your helmet is still in date. Also as well, there's a sticker on the inside that you can see there. That will give you all of the information that you actually require. So it'll tell you what standard it actually adheres to. It will tell you any electrical standard that it actually adheres to. It will tell you if it has lateral deformation. It will tell you if it's protected against molten metal and all of those optional requirements of the standards as well. Now pretty much when anyone buys this helmet straight from the off, they'll just pop it straight on the head as it is without knowing that you can actually adjust the cradle as well. So there is an adjustment that you can see just inside there, and that's really just a fitting and a comfortability factor, so you can change the position and the height that it actually sits on your head. The other thing you can do is you can change your sweatband. If that's a bit old, obviously, it's washable on this particular model, this Drytech sweatband. If you want to change the sweatband, if it's a bit grubby, you can do, so you can just buy another sweatband and just pop the sweatband on once you've got the new one. So also as well, when you're caring, when you're thinking about looking after your helmet, you need to store it in a safe place. So you need to make sure that it's in a helmet bag, if you can. If not, safely tucked away in a locker, not left out in direct sunlight, obviously. And please think about cross-contamination as well. So don't put any gloves inside your helmet or dust masks or anything like that, because obviously you can then suffer from cross-contamination. If you're actually wearing a chin strap, you'll need to just check that as well, if that's actually fitted on there. And you just want to make sure that there's not any excessive wear actually on the chin strap, and that it's fixed into the helmet nice and tight. And obviously think about that adjustment of your chin strap. Make sure it's nice and comfortable for you and it's not too tight underneath your chin.